Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy data from website to Google Sheets easily. So let's say that I want to copy data from Wikipedia. So in here, I want to copy the data from this table right here. So I'm going to block, for example, this one's right here. You can do this, but if you do that, it will become uh like it has a weird format like here. So what you can do, you can just use the import HTML formula. So I'm going to show you. So here I'm going to click on the import HTML and then parenthesis, and then next copy the link from this website, from the source website, and then double quotation first and paste the link, and double quotation again, comma, and then double quotation, and click on table. Okay, after that, parenthesis, and click on enter, and the data will loading, and you can just wait. And just like that, the whole data from the table will be copy or paste in here. So that's the easiest way to copy data from website to Google Sheets. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment. And if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye!